Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I am Ash Takeoff. But let's hop right into the details about this hair for this video. Y'all, Nadula hair, this texture on this water wave wig from Nadula hair. That's the subject, that's the main character, that's what we need to get into. Those were all the goodies that came with the wig, but this is the wig, the 7x5 closure wig. It does come with an adjustable strap, which helps it to be glueless. I will be installing this wig glueless and with a light melt, so keep on watching to see how I install. Very quick, simple, and easy. So just vibe out and I'll come back to let you guys know what I think about this hair. Even when wearing my wigs glueless, sometimes I like to go in with some Got to Be Glue gel. That makes sure that these baby hairs are laid down, but it's still glueless. One thing that I love about this wig, it did come with some pre-cut baby hairs. If you're not into the baby hairs, all you have to do is literally comb them back out the way and it's gonna look like you don't have any baby hairs. But I love this method for glueless wig if I want my baby hairs to be laid. If you're going for that airy soft baby hair feel, you can always use a flat iron, or once you lay the baby hairs, just comb them up and they'll give it more of a soft feel. I just feel like the baby hairs give this texture a very nice finish. Y'all, look at that. It looks so good. So good. And this is currently glueless. I only added a little bit of mousse to the hair just to make the texture pop, and we're good to go. So this is method number 1. If you want to wear it glueless, you are good to go with this one. And while we're at it, go ahead and throw you in a bow and style it up. I love these cute little trendy bows that actually I got from Nadula hair. So this is a great hair inspo for anyone who wants to switch it up, give it like a little girly girl vibe. Soft life, y'all know everything the girly be saying these days. It's definitely giving that. Now let's move on to the meltdown. For me, I do not use glue. I am not a glue girly, but if you are, more power to you. You gotta do what you do for you and do what's best for you. Okay, for me, I can go in with a little bit of spritz, I can go in with a little bit of holding spray, and it's gonna hold the wig how I need it to be held. At this point, while I'm wearing a lace band, if I'm doing any type of style that's going to be tension, I like to do it right now while the hair is melting. It just makes it feel like nothing's moving while I'm adding tension, pulling, parting. This is just the best method for me to make sure that the wig is still laying down even when I want to style the hair. I chose to do kind of like a middle half up. What do y'all call this? It's literally the middle section of the closure. We're going to go ahead and add this trendy cute bow, and I'm going to clip it going backwards and forward because I kind of want to see which one best fits with what I wanted to go for. Just know with both methods, I was in love. Y'all, I was geeked right here because it looked so cute and exactly what I was going for. Shout out to Nadula because not only is this texture so beautiful, so airy, so pretty, the lace melt complemented my skin very well, so I was very impressed with that. And all in all, if y'all want information on this wig, just click down below. Like, get the information, do what you need to do with that, because I definitely did it and I'm in love with this wig, this texture, and this install. This video was so quick, I'm at the point where I gotta go. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next one.